Dear students, the Gujarat State Education Board has introduced new concept for students of standard 10th in subject maths. For the academic year 21-22, the GSEB has announced two levels of mathematics paper, basic and standard, for the students of class 10. The students have to make choice of two paper, one is basic or standard. Now why this new concept is introduced? Last year when there was mass promotion, the state government has observed that many students have failed in subject maths. Now this has led to discontinuation of higher education. So in line with CBSE, they have introduced two level of paper for students of standard 10th. One is basic level and one is standard level. The students have to study the same textbook and same syllabus. Based on their interest and understanding of the subject, they will be able to opt for one paper only. At the time of registering for board exam, they will be given the choice. Dear parents, I request you to guide your child while registering the online form for standard 10 to assist him that which level of paper is going to appear. That will depend on the career which he is going to select after standard 10th. Same textbook and syllabus. Choosing basic and standard will not have any effect on the class 10 mathematics curriculum, and all students, irrespective of what level they may choose, will study the same topics and chapters in school during the academic session. Basic maths is compulsory for general stream and standard maths is compulsory for science stream. The board has also given the weightage of two level of papers. One is standard level and another is basic level. The board has also given the paper style along with the marks for each section. Now when the results are declared of board, and what happens if you fail in the subject maths? But you can give remedial exam in the month of July. At that time, the board has also facilitated that for the whole year, if you have gone for basic level, then you want to go for science stream, then you can appear for standard level and then pass out the exam and go for science stream. So those students who will not succeed can also give exam in the month of July. We wish you a great success in offline board exam in the month of March 2022. Whichever level you have opted in standard 10th, maybe basic, maybe standard. And when you select from science stream, either maths or biology, maybe maths, then there are so many career options available. They are ITI, data scientist, National Defense Academy, National Talent Search Examinations, BTech, and more to go.